Hey guys, what's up? I'm Tommy from Prior Performance, and today we're going to be talking about our Baja Designs LP4 quarter fairing kit. When you order this kit from us, you'll receive 2 of these brackets. These are going to be direct replacements for the brackets that sit in your quarter fairing currently. And you will also receive a Baja Designs LP4 Light. These are available with a clear or an amber lens, depending on which you choose. We do sell the lenses loose on the website, so if you do wish to choose the lens color down the road, you have the ability to do so. And we also offer a wide range of different wiring harnesses to make this application work on many different models. We'll show you some of the different harnesses we got here. Alright, so like I said, here's our different options for wiring harnesses. We build these harnesses here in-house. We have harnesses for FXRs, Dynas, Sportsters, Street Glides, Electric Glides, Road Glides. We make these for anything you may need a use for. Alright, so that's enough of me talking. We'll get into the install of this bracket system itself. So we're going to take this and flip it over. We're going to have to remove these 3 Phillips screws from each side of the fairing here to get these brackets out. So we're going to loosen those here. Alright, so now we are going to install our LP4 brackets that come with the kit. These are what hold the LP4 into the fairing itself. To do so, we're going to reutilize those same 6 Phillips screws that we just took out to hold in these new brackets in place of where the originals were. So we're going to go ahead and start getting those tightened in now. Alright, so now we got our 6 Phillips screws all tightened down that are holding in our new brackets that hold in the LP4 headlight. Here's our LP4 here. I don't know if I mentioned this or not before, but you'll also receive some aluminum spacers in your kit from us. These are going to go in between the light and the bracket here to eat up some of that grab, and I'll show you how to get those in here in just a second. Alright, so to do this, you're going to take your LP4, you're going to kind of get it set in here. You get one of your screws started back here, and take your aluminum spacer and just kind of get it started in here. Get your bolt in. You're going to start threading that into the light, and you're going to repeat that for all 4 bolts until you get your light all secure. Drop the second one in here. That started. Okay, now we're going to go and do the last 2. Alright, so now that we have all 4 of our bolts started with our spacers in place, all we have to do now is take a 7/16 wrench or socket and get these tightened in all the way. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then we will show you what this looks like once it's complete. Alright, so now we're all in and tight, and this is what we were left with. Nice, clean, finished look inside here. An awfully dark smoke on the lens over the headlight here, but you can kind of see the headlight sitting in there. But yeah, so now all that's left is to attach your brackets that attach this to your bike. Depending on your model, you probably have a little different bracket setup, but you'll just attach that to these slotted holes just like you would with the original brackets when you first put this on your bike. And that is the install of our Baja Designs LP4 quarter fairing kit. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Audio Jungle.